No, it was a great summit, great engagement. I loved the topic itself. I think the topic was the right one for the industry today. And I think the manner in which the panelists dealt with the questions was, I think, short, direct feedback that was given. And I think more than anything, I think the room was active. I think that for me was the biggest vote of confidence on we are dealing with the right topic, it was dealt with appropriately, and I think it was short and sweet. I think we're slightly behind the global trends in the sense that we're seeing, especially from the East, the evolution of mega factories, evolution of robotics, evolution of mega data. We are slightly behind, but I think the great thing about it is that we're in a transitional period. And I think that for me is a fantastic time for us to be in a transitional period, for the leaders that are leading the transition today. We're all excited about it. We're slightly behind, but I think we're in the journey, and I think that journey is exciting. We're addressing the right things. We've got excited leaders, and I think we've got a great future to look forward to in our transformation in South Africa.